Today we will try to understand the leads part, how you can create leads on Aasaan ERP Lite, and what all functions you can do. So first thing first, leads can be integrated with different kind of third-party systems. For example, IndiaMart, JustDial, Facebook, Instagram, or you can take example of anything. So whatever the lead will be created over there, those could be directly actually captured over here. The another thing you can do here is, so if you can you want to create manually the leads, you can come over here, click on plus button, you can give the name, select the source, the phone number. I'll just take an example of a test lead. Okay, I'll just select the source that, okay, let's say it has come from the LinkedIn. I can put some dummy number over here, the email ID that we can put. So all these things are optional. If you go over here, only the star mark things are mandatory. Otherwise, all other things are optional. Lead status. So lead status here is assigned, done, in progress, new. However, you can create more lead status as per your requirement by going to masters. So if you go to masters here, you can create your own other kind of status as well. So if you go to lead status here you can actually create your on lead status. For example, if you don't want assigned, done, in progress, you want some different kind of lead status. So these lead status, you can go into the lead status section and create over here. So whatever the lead status you will create, those will be shown over here. Similarly, assigned to. So assigned to is basically the users whom you are actually assigning this lead to. Okay, whatever the requirement of that particular lead, that you can put over here. Other than this, you can capture other information about that particular lead. For example, their professions, the rating that you may want to give, like what kind of it's cold, hot, what kind of rating, the lead it is. You can give alternate mobile number, alternate email, date of birth over here, date of anniversary, the address, pin code, country, state, city. So all these things, details, personal info you can give. Then you can also give the company information, like which company they belong to, what is the company website, what is their tax number, and which industry they basically belongs to, remarks. Now coming on to lead qualification info, we have another video for lead qualification that you can refer in case you want to make use of this particular area. This is basically, I'll just give you a brief idea of it. Lead qualification info is generally, in the businesses, you don't know that what are the leads who are qualified. Let's say you receive 100 of leads in a day, and you say, okay, we have to work only 40 of that based on certain parameters, maybe budget, maybe type of client, and whatever his requirement is. So basically, out of 140 you have selected and 60 you have rejected. So your sales team is not going to follow up with other 60. And now the problem comes with the management team is that the team who is working on this lead qualification, they don't really know that what exactly is the criteria for lead qualification, or even if they know, they make some mistakes. So in that case, you can make use of this auto lead qualification mechanism of Aasaan ERP Lite, where you can put certain parameters, lead qualification, budget, and all, and based on it, it will automatically show you that, okay, what are the leads qualified. However, if you want to add some more or you want to remove some, you can do it yourself. So this is how you can create your new lead, and once you submit, this will create a new lead which you can see into the data table. So this is our detail page. We call it detail page. Here, as you can see, the details, whatever we have added, you can add more follow-ups from here. Okay, I'll come to that follow-up thing just a moment. If you want to upload any particular documents related to this image or files related to this lead, you can upload from here, and here's the lead qualification details. You want to print, you can click on print. If you want to edit, you can edit from here. Here you go to the list of all the lead details, and here actually you can upload more documents. So let me go to the list of these leads. So as you can see here, this is the list of all the leads that I have. Now there are few buttons. Let's understand this one by one. So this is one of the the report. So for example, if you want to download all these leads into Excel, you can download Excel. However, if you want to download, maybe the some filtered leads over here. So what you do, you go to this yellow section, as you can see, click here on the filter. Then you can filter it by any name. For example, we just created test. Okay, so I'll just filter it by test lead. So as you can see, we have 3 leads by the name test. Okay, uh, so now if I click on download Excel, it will give me only these 3 leads only. Data will be here. That's one thing. The other thing is this is the report that you can check, lead or deal user wise report. I will come to this report later on. The purpose of this video is just to explain the functionality that how you can create the leads. Today's lead section is there where you can see only today's leads, because you could have 100 of leads over there and you may be interested into today's lead only. So you can click on this today's lead section and it will show you the leads that you have created today only. So once I come back to the lead section again, here this is the delete button for the leads. In case you want to delete, you can just click over here and you can delete, and this is the button to see the deleted leads. So what happens whenever you delete some leads, it's actually deleted from this area, but it's not actually deleted from the database. So if you, at any point of time you want to see the deleted leads, you can go over here and see the leads which you may have deleted. Okay, these are the leads, for example, I have deleted. Coming back to the main lead section, this is just for refresh. For example, you put some selection over here, let's say Facebook ads, then you can just click over here in case to refresh it, and this is the search area. So I mean, basically you don't need it generally, but still if you, I mean, the page is stuck in some cases, you can make use of this. Coming on to filter, so by default these filters are hidden. Okay, so if you want to filter it based on maybe name, mobile number, address, site, whatever the columns over here, then you can click it, this yellow button, and you can filter it on the different filters available here. Coming on to this button, import leads. So for example, you are maybe boarding for the first time, or your team prepares the leads on the Excel and you want to maintain it. So what you can do, you can click on this import lead section, and here you can download the sample template. Once you click over it, it will download the sample template of the Excel sheet. You need to put all your leads into that particular format only. Once you are done with putting all those sheet over here, then what you can do, you can go over here, click on choose file, select that particular sample sheet that you have actually prepared and click submit. Once you submit it, then all these data will be populated over here directly. So you can create it manually, you can upload it through the Excel sheets that you can prepare in our sample sheet, or the leads can be captured through third party websites like IndiaMart, Just Dial, Facebook, I told you. So all those things you can do. Now if you look at all these buttons over here, these have specific meanings. For example, the first one, okay, so this is for WhatsApp. Like there are 2 WhatsApp button you can see. One is integrated with your existing functionality. For example, if you have logged in on the WhatsApp through this browser, so if you click over here, it will open you in that particular uh, button. So just come to that. For example, this is the first one. First one, what it will do, it will open this particular number into the WhatsApp. Now you can chat from here. You need not to store it, and you can manage your complete conversation from here. The other WhatsApp over here is, this is if you are integrated. I mean, you've integrated the WhatsApp with some third party WhatsApp provider, uh, like AI Sensi or something like that. In that case, you can integrate with it. So once you click over here, it will ask you the template that you have created in the masters. I'll come to that later on. And whatever the WhatsApp content you can put, you just click send over here. It will be directly sent to that person. So from here directly you can send the WhatsApp. Similarly, you can you can also send the SMS from here. It's just that you need to integrate your SMS APIs here itself. So this is very easy. You can go to the settings and integrate it with the SMS APIs. The third thing is again the email. You can also integrate your email ID, email from here. I mean email here, and what to whom you want to send and what is the subject. So you can directly send the email from here as well. So it all depends, the WhatsApp you want to send, the mail you want to send, or the message you want to send. Even you can connect it with the calls itself. You can make the calls directly from here, or you can integrate it with any IVR kind of systems to manage the leads to manage the calls automatically. This is to delete, this is to upload, and this button, this particular button is to edit this leads. In case you want to edit, you want to update something, so you can click over here and it will give you the updated mode where you can upload the leads. Okay, and then I have told you here you can upload this manage docs, you can upload the any documents against it, and this is to convert the lead into deal. So at any point of time when your marketing team says, okay, we want to convert this lead, this inquiry into deal so that the sales team can follow up, then you can simply click over here, and once you say yes, convert it, it will be directly converted into the deals, and then the deals people can follow on top of it. Now what the next thing is that, for example, this is the lead and your team is following up on this. So what you can do, you can click on this page here. This is the detail page, and here you actually give the follow up. Let's say they say, okay, call me tomorrow, something like that, and you say I need to have all the things what I need to do tomorrow. So you can simply say tomorrow, okay, 25th, and what is the time you can put over here, and you simply submit it. Okay, once you submit it, similarly you can maintain multiple level of follow-ups here. That's first thing. Now whatever the follow-ups that you have mentioned over here, the team would be able to see all these follow-ups in the dashboard. So what they need to do whenever they come in the morning, they basically come onto the dashboard and they click on the lead deal follow-ups. Okay, so when they click on lead or deal follow-ups, here they can see all the follow-ups that they want to see. Now the next thing is they can also see the same follow-ups in the follow-up table. Here they can see all the follow-ups over here, whatever the follow-up is. For example, this is the follow-up that I just created, call me tomorrow. What is the time and all these things, against which module it has been created, either lead or deal, that you can see. So this is all about the leads part. I'll be creating another video for the deal section.